Yeah, maybe like a little microwave. Like a microwave.
Maybe.
A lot of microwaves there. I didn't hear you, but I said I heard the word microwave. I'm sure there are microwaves there.
Yeah, yeah, there's like a big, yeah.
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 I thought you said something about buying a microwave, that's why I said.
No,
Yeah, I was just joking.
she said about destroying one. She said about destroying
She's probably gonna microwave something in it for 45 minutes. Maybe that'll get rid of it.
It's really good, isn't it? The salmon is really wonderful.
Can you pass the bread,
Fresh
please?
salmon's really good. Do you think she's rich?
It's possible. Thanks for not. Okay, thanks, Grandma.
She's probably thinking Amy's rich. She lives in Santa Barbara.
Yeah, that could be.
I know.
People think everybody's rich here.
Mm-hmm.
I
I'm
wonder.
rich and happiness.
I'm rich. I have $26.02.
Grandma, Amy has $26.
She had $26 that she didn't think she was going to have. Have support.
That's like 8 ties.
Well, probably, well, hey, it could have been 0 ties, you know.
Yeah, like you. You didn't sell any ties to anyone.
Oh,
Way to
You know
go.
what? Do you know it was the ties? It could have been the shoes. Could have been the...
It tells me.
Oh.
I get an email like once every 2 months, and it tells me what I've sold. But I don't get a
Yeah.
check until it exceeds $25.
How long has
There
it
were
been?
several other ties with the piano keys on it. I wonder where they took yours.
Yours was the best. Yours was the best.
Okay.
Yeah. How long have you had it up there?
A year or two.
Oh.
But I like your Levin's. Never got no one else liked it.
Nobody has bought your shoes yet.
You could be the first.
I wouldn't even know how to do it.
Don't even know how to wear them.
You put on the fucking shoes? Are you
They're
crazy?
just shoes. They're like, they're not your style shoes.
No.